Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. All right, you guys, so today's video is hair and makeup. I know, I never do hair and makeup in one video. I honestly don't even do anything with my hair on camera. But yeah, I wanted to share with you guys what I have been doing to avoid using heat in my hair. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how I do that and how to get this makeup look here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so before I jump into the video, I want to explain my hair. So the reason why my hair is in braids at the moment is because I sleep in braids, so when I wake up in the morning, it's nice and curly when I remove them. So my point is that I'm trying to avoid putting heat to my hair just to get it in a healthier state. My hair is pretty straight, but I want style to it. I don't want it looking the way it does when I wake up in the morning because I do go to bed with my hair wet. So you know, then I have like creases and it's not the way I want it to look. So I figured to avoid heat, I would do braids, and then when I wake up, I would have pretty nice curls. I love the way it looks. It's more like a wave, like a soft wave. Now that I explained that to you, please don't mind the hair. I am going to remove it as soon as the video is over, and I will show you what it looks like. So right now, as you can see, I have my brows already filled in, and I have my eyes prepped and ready. I also moisturized and applied some lip balm. So today I'm going to be using the ColourPop She's Got Solstice palette, and I have already filmed a video using this palette. It's so freaking pretty. I love ColourPop, you guys. It's such a good brand. We're going to do something fun today. I mean, we always try to do something fun, right? So I'm gonna go in with Earth Angel, which is this shade here. And I'm just going to apply that right into the crease and go back and forth in windshield wiper motion. Also applying that right in to the inner corner, just like that. And today the brush I'm using is the Sigma Tapered Blending E35. And you guys, I am so excited to share a couple of new things that I've purchased. You guys will see. I'm not going to tell you what it is or what it could be because I want to share it with you guys. I'm so excited, and it should be coming this, actually no, it is coming this week, the day after Memorial Day. And I think I'm going to be putting this video up because today is what? Today is Sunday. No, today is Saturday, May 23rd. Even though I have a lot of other videos that I still have to edit, I'm gonna upload this one first, just so you guys know what I'm talking about when I upload a video sharing some of the stuff that I just recently got. It would seem a little weird if I didn't upload this video first, so that's all I'm saying. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'm so excited. We also got something that we already installed, and I'm gonna share with you later on as well. So excited. I mean, honestly, this quarantine has really like made me buy a lot of more things because I'm home and I'm bored, and I don't know, we're trying to keep busy, you know what I mean? So it's really like not helping me save money like that, you know? I already removed my kids from camp because I am not sending them. I don't even understand why the camps are opening. They're saying that they want, you know, that they're opening and they're requiring the kids to wear masks and keep distance. I'm like, my son is not going to keep distance, you know what I mean? And I tried having him wear a mask, freaking hates it. He doesn't even want to wear it. He's like, I can't breathe. And I'm just like, dude, no, it's not. You're not going to camp. There's no way. There's no way. All right, so now I think I'm just gonna keep the eyes pretty simple. I'm going to go in with this brush here. This is the MAC 242, and I'm gonna go in with Estrella. Oh my gosh. Estrella is so beautiful. Hopefully it looks good. Oh my God, do you see that? I'm just gonna apply this on the center, I feel like. Or actually, you know what? We're gonna apply this all over the lid forget that. We're gonna let Estrella shine today. Show us what you're working with. I think I want to add a little bit more depth to the eye look because, yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more depth to it. Hold on. After the shade though, oh my god, it's so beautiful. You could definitely use your finger for this as well. There is some fallout, and definitely pick up. I'm gonna use my finger. Look at that. Oh yeah, that is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh yes, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, so what I mean by depth, I'm going to apply a little bit of this shade in the eye. This is Chromosphere, this one here, just to break it up a little bit. Look at that. See? So simple. All right, so now I'm just going to grab the Sigma Tapered Blending E35 brush again. I'm just going to go back in and just blend it out a little bit with no additional product, you see? And that is it for the simple eye look today, you guys. I'm gonna add a little bit of liquid eyeliner. This one is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and I've been loving this, you guys. All right, so moving on to lashes, I'm gonna go in with these right here. These are the 01 Kiss lashes, and I'm going to apply these off camera. Once I'm done, I'll be back to continue on with the rest. All right, guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I have my lashes on. Now we're gonna move on to face primer. Today I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control. I'm gonna add a little bit of that. Just go in and apply that right here in the center, on the T-zone, a little bit on the chin. Make sure you rub that in really good. I'm not gonna apply too much on the forehead, just whatever's remaining, I guess, right? So for foundation, I'm going to be using this right here. This is the Zoeva. I just tested this out, and I love the way it looks, you know, when I apply it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of the, well, I'm gonna spray a little bit of the Morphe spray to the e.l.f. sponge. And I'm going to be using that today. So I'm just going to apply like 2 pumps right onto the sponge. And I'm just going to go in. All right, so I really love the way that foundation evens my skin out. It just looks so freaking good. And I just love the fact that it's super lightweight, you guys. And it really just looks like a natural, you know, foundation look. Like, it just looks really natural and healthy. I like it. It has a nice luminous look to it. Like, it looks good. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of this. This is actually really light, but we're gonna go in with it and just add a little bit. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This one is in the shade Cashmere, and I may add a little bit more of the other one that I have. Let me see if I can find it. This one here, this one is in the shade Cashew, and I think I'm gonna add a little bit of that to this one. We're gonna add a little bit of this to it because I don't want it to be super light, you know what I mean? There you go. That's a lot of concealer because these, honestly, you guys, a little bit goes a long way. If you have tried those, you guys know a little bit goes a long way. But mixing them both together, not bad. Not bad at all. Gives you more coverage. So if you're not really feeling the foundation with how, you know, pretty natural, like you really want more full coverage, use this concealer and you'll get just that for additional coverage. You know what I mean? It's really good though. All right, so to cream contour, I am gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Honey. And don't forget, you guys, a little bit goes a long way. A little bit here. I'm gonna outline the lips. Give us that nice little contour. Now we're gonna go in with my brush. This is the Real Techniques brush. It's the contour brush. Just gonna blend that out. All right, so now I'm going to grab my sponge and I'm just gonna go over it, and that's gonna finish off the blending. Now I'm gonna go in with my RCMA powder, and I'm just gonna use my sponge to set my under eye. So to bronze up my face, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker in the shade Shady Biz. This is what she looks like. And I'm going to go in with my angled brush from Kenzie. I'm also going to go right back in with the RCMA powder and my e.l.f. sponge, but I'm going to grab the other end of the sponge. I'm going to reverse contour and clean that up a little bit. Just like that. And I'm just gonna let that sit and bake for a minute. And while that's going on, I'm gonna go right back into the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to grab this brush. I have it right here. This is the Morphe M321. It's the one, I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but it's the one I went in the crease just to give it more depth. And now I'm just going to grab a little bit more of Chromosphere, which is this one here, and mix it with a little bit of Earth Angel, which is right next to it. So those two shades together. And I'm just going to apply that right on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to grab the Rimmel London Rich Brown Waterproof Eye Definer, and I'm going to add a little bit of this on the waterline. I'm going to go in with some mascara. This one is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Now I'm just going to go in and remove the powder, just like that. For lips, I'm going to go in with this one right here. This one has been my favorite. This is the Superstay Ink Crayon from Maybelline in the shade Seek Adventure. I love how pointy it is, and I just love the way it applies and it glides on your lips, and it honestly is such a pretty color. You see that? You see that? Doesn't that look freaking beautiful? Now I'm going to add a little bit of the Fenty lip gloss right over top. And that is that for the lips. Now I'm just going to go in and set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Whew. This feels so good. All right, guys, so now quickly moving in to the hair. I'm just going to remove the little rubber bands. I have clear little rubber bands on the bottom, and I'm just going to take these off. All right, guys, so that is my hair. Look at that. Look at that. All you need to do is braid your hair and your hair is done. I usually do go in with some mousse. You can. I'll just add mousse just a little bit so you guys can see. I have the, what is this? The Tresemme Flawless Curls. It's the extra hold. I have this one here. And honestly, it smells so good. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Run my fingers through it, and this is going to keep your hair styled for the day, you guys. This is the perfect and most easiest way to style your hair without heat. I'm loving it. It looks so good, doesn't it? Look at that. Just by braiding your hair, you guys. I love it. It looks so freaking beautiful. I love it. So easy, so simple. Just put braids in your hair before you go to sleep. Take them off in the morning and you'll end up with looks like this. Yeah. All right, so that is pretty much it, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's makeup and hair video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.